Hello! In this video, we will learn how to revise our writing. When you revise, you improve your rough draft by adding, changing, deleting, or rearranging text. Look at this paragraph. The second sentence has interesting information, but it does not fit with the topic of the paragraph. Let's change it and explain why honeybees do not live on Antarctica. Here is the next paragraph. Look at the word group. Honeybees do live in groups, but the groups are called hives. Change the word group to hive to be more specific. Read this text. The sentence, "I love honey," is an opinion that doesn't belong here. We can delete this sentence. We can replace it with more information about bees eating honey. Let's add this sentence to the beginning of the second paragraph. This sentence repeats information, so we can delete the repeated words. Now the revised sentence reads, "A large honeybee colony can produce as much as 100 pounds of honey each year." We know that without honey stored for the winter, the colony would starve and die. Let's add this to the end of the paragraph. Look at these two paragraphs. They make sense, but they are not in the right order. The second paragraph introduces the idea of queen bees. That paragraph should be first. Circle the paragraph and draw an arrow to show where to move it. Now you know how to revise to improve your writing. See you next time!